Hey, what's up YouTube? This is JoelPoo3. Today we're going to learn how to upgrade from iOS 12 to iOS 13, and we're going to learn how to downgrade from iOS 13 back to iOS 12. So we're going to do both. I have never seen that before in a video. I'm going to show you how to do both of them. It is not hard to do at all. Anyone can do it if you just follow the steps. It does take a little bit of time. That's the hard part, but whatever. We'll get it done, okay? And of course, I am talking about the public beta of iOS 13. The official release for iOS 13 will be in September of 2019 for everyone, over the air, just a regular way you update. So there's a little bit of a tricky way to get to this one, but I'm going to walk you through it, so here we go. Before we start, don't forget that the iPad is different. It's going to be the same method, but the software is different. So don't forget that the iPhone 6 and below you cannot install iOS 13 on, but the 6S and above you can, including the SE. So all the way to the max, right here. So I'm going to today use the SE, but the process is the same for all of them except for one step, which I'll show you that as we get to it. And just to prove that I am on the most current version of iOS 12, 12.3.1, if you are not on the most current, you want to definitely update before you do your backup. The first thing you want to do, which is very important, is to back up your iPhone. And to do that, you plug it into iTunes. Now, depending on how big your hard drive is, it might take 10 minutes, it might take 30 minutes. But this is very important. If you do this step, you will not lose any data moving forward. So once your backup finishes, take your device, go onto Safari. You want to go to beta.apple.com. From here you want to scroll down, and the first place where it says sign up, do that. You'll have to enter your iTunes login information right here. After you log in, scroll down to where it says enroll your iOS device. Click on that. This is where it just tells you to make sure you back everything up. Scroll down to where it says download profile. Click on that. And your profile has been downloaded. From here you have to install the profile. That's super easy. Go to your settings, and then you go to your profile downloaded, and this is where you install your profile. Once you do that, the phone will restart. That's normal. Once your phone restarts, we will go to settings, general, software update, and you will see the iOS 13 public beta waiting for you right there. This is from Apple, so it's official. So go ahead and download that, and that will take a little while to download and install. And once that's finished, you will have iOS 13. Super easy, right? And iOS 13 is very cool. I know it's still in the early stages, and there's a few little bugs, but I have it on my daily driver, and I don't really run into too many problems. A lot of cool features. I definitely love dark mode. The camera has gotten way better. Just a whole bunch of brand new features that are very, very cool. I do recommend everyone getting iOS 13. So once this finishes installing iOS 13, we'll come right back. Alright, the update is finished. This is now on iOS 13. If that's where you want to stay, then you're done. Nothing else to do. Good job. Enjoy it. If you are ready to downgrade from 13 back to 12, here's what we're going to do. The first thing you want to do is go to your computer. Go ahead and go to the website linked below. We have to download an IPSW file. That is basically what iOS 12.3.1 is. So go to the website, go ahead and click iPhone. And this step is very important. You have to select the phone that you have and download that IPSW file. That should take about 4 or 5 minutes. We do have to turn off Find My iPhone. Go to General, click on the top, scroll down, go to Find My, turn it off, hook up your iPhone to iTunes again, go to Restore iPhone. From here we're going to hold down Option as we click Restore iPhone. This is going to ask you which IPSW file you want, the one you just downloaded. Click on that. It's going to tell you it's going to erase it before it installs 12.3.1. This is normal, don't worry, we have our backup to restore all of our data, so go ahead and do that. Now we're going to let it run, and this is going to take a little while, so I'll come back in a minute. Alright, once that process finishes, the second step is to restore the backup that we created. Super easy. Plug in your phone to the computer. It's going to give you a drop down of your most current backup that you created. Just go to continue, Again, it's going to take a little while. Luckily for me, I only had one picture on my backup, just as a test to make sure that it works. Huh, that was quick. Yours will not be that quick, I promise you that. But now we are back on iOS 12.3.1, and all your data is there. All your pictures are there, all your contacts are there, all your photos and videos are there, everything. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you soon, okay? Thanks. Bye.